So, turns out we were wrong. And honestly, I'm happy about it. Really happy. For months, a lot of us in the drone world were almost certain the DJI Mini 5 Pro would cross that sacred 250-gram limit. You know, the magic number that lets you skip extra licenses and registration in many countries. Go over it and you're stuck with paperwork and fees. Stay under, and you're in true grab-and-fly freedom mode. And can you blame us for expecting the worst? We were talking about a 1-inch camera sensor, Lidar obstacle detection, more onboard sensors, and more powerful processing hardware than any previous Mini. On paper, that sounded like a guaranteed trip into sorry, you're over the limit, please register territory. But somehow, DJI made the impossible happen, and I'm not complaining one bit. In fact, I'm impressed. Before we dive in, if you're as into drones as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss updates. That way you don't have to rely on your friends texting you at 2 a.m. saying, "Dude, have you seen this?" Credit goes to Jasper Ellens via Drone XL. His source didn't even notice the CZ class sticker on the bottom, but Jasper zoomed in like he had a built-in telephoto lens for eyes. And there it was. This whole thing reminds me of what Insta360 has been doing with their 360-degree drone tech, packing serious capabilities into insanely small packages. DJI just pulled off the same trick. They didn't just keep it under 250 grams. They did it while adding tech you'd normally find in drones twice the weight. It is like giving a sports car the towing power of a pickup truck without adding extra weight. Why is this huge? Until now, if you wanted a 1-inch sensor in your drone, you were looking at something over $500, which meant more restrictions and headaches. But now, totally different game. And that LiDAR, especially the forward-facing sensor, is a big deal. Current Minis use visual sensors that struggle in extreme lighting, but LiDAR uses laser pulses, which means reliable obstacle detection at night, in fog or against flat, low-contrast backgrounds. Think safer landings on boats, rooftops, or rough terrain, even spotting thin wires before disaster. Oh, and the gimbal rotation? Up to 330 degrees, giving you around 225 degrees of usable movement for shots. That opens up corkscrew moves, smooth horizon shifts, and cinematic reveals. Stuff you'd expect from a Mavic 4, not a Mini. Hardware tweaks don't stop there. Tap and twist prop changes, redesigned prop guards, DJI FPV style, rounded swept-back tips for quieter, more efficient flights, semi-ducted guards for better aerodynamics, side button for controller-free takeoff. Rumors say it might even power on when you unfold it. Dangerously convenient. And if you've seen the leaked box shots, you already know. This thing is more than just Mini. 1-inch sensor, 24mm equivalent lens, f1.8 aperture for low light and dreamy depth of field 4K at 120 FPS. A nice upgrade for slow-motion lovers. 48mm mode that crops in on the big sensor for lossless cinematic zoom. DJI isn't just making the Mini series cute and portable anymore. This is shaping up to be a cinematic beast under 250 grams.